Yeah, I was explaining this part to you in the through the phone, but because of lack of storage, the video paused at the middle. Therefore, this part is not explained to you. I was writing it, but that part is not recorded in the phone. So check this part. In the previous video, I was explaining to you what is this atomic mass unit mean. So atomic mass unit is over from the previous video. Now I said to you what is this relative atomic mass means. I said to you something. Relative atomic mass is not the true mass of an atom of an element. True mass of an atom or element. Why relative atomic mass is not the true mass of an atom of an element? Now, for example, let me take 10 into with what I should multiply to get this 100. Okay, with how many times? Okay, wait, with how many times I should multiply this 10 to get this 100? It's 10, right? With how many times I should multiply this 10 to get this 100? It's 10. That number, that is a whole number, that is 10. With how many times I should multiply? That is a whole number, that is 10. Okay. So, likewise, what is this relative atomic mass means? Let me give you this with an example. Let me take, the mass of oxygen atom. Mass of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. The mass of oxygen atom. I have given you the mass of oxygen atom. What is it mass? 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. And the mass of 1 by 12, the 1 by 12, the carbon 12 6 isotope is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. What is it actually? It is the atomic mass unit. 1 by 12, the mass of carbon 12 6 isotope. Then, what is this now? With what number? How many times? With what number I should multiply this 1 by 12, the carbon 12 6 isotope, to get this 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. That is the mass of true atom. That for, in this case, it is the mass of oxygen atom. With what number I should multiply? With what number? Now this is x now. This is the x that I have taken. With what number I should multiply to get this the true mass of an oxygen atom is known as relative atomic mass. You see the definition. What is the definition of relative atomic mass? How many times an atom of a given element? In this case, it is the mass of oxygen atom. Mass of oxygen atom of oxygen element. Mass of oxygen atom of oxygen element. I will be telling to you what is atom, what is element, what is molecule, what is compound in the next part. With how many times an atom of a given element weighs as much as 1 by 12 the mass of carbon 12 isotope is the relative atomic mass of that element. With what number I should multiply to get the true mass of an atom is the relative atomic mass of an element. Okay. Now, here 1 by 12 the mass of carbon 12 isotope. With what number I should multiply 1 by 12 the carbon 12 6 isotope to get the mass of oxygen atom. So, relative atomic mass is 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams divided by 1 by 12 the mass of carbon 12 6 isotope in gram. That is, 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. You will get 16.02. Yeah. 16.02. What is that 16.02? It is the relative atomic mass of oxygen atom. Okay, so what is the true mass? True mass is this. Relative atomic mass is not the true mass. What is relative atomic mass? This is relative atomic mass. So what is the equation for relative atomic mass? I will write it down, wait. So the relative atomic mass of oxygen atom in this case, in this example which I have taken is 16.02. The true mass of oxygen atom is 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Therefore, relative atomic mass is not the true mass, that you should know. And also there is another point under relative atomic mass, that is relative atomic mass has no units. Relative atomic mass has no unit. Why no units? Don't memorize. Check it here. You see, the relative atomic mass is mass of oxygen atom in grams. Mass of oxygen atom in grams divided by, I can't tell this, 1 by 12 the mass of carbon 12 isotope in gram. Gram and gram we will cancel off. So what is the unit? No unit. Relative atomic mass has no unit. Mark it down. That's it. That is atomic mass is over. Relative atomic mass is over. Atomic mass unit is over. You see the terms atomic mass unit. The mass of a unit. Mass of a unit is atomic mass unit. What is relative atomic mass? Relative means in comparison to another, with respect to another, relation, relationship, comparison. Relative atomic mass. What is the relationship? Is the relative atomic mass. What is the relationship? Is this is the relationship. With how many times I should multiply the atomic mass unit? With how many times I should multiply the atomic mass unit to get the true mass of that oxygen, true mass of that element, true mass of an atom, of an element. Okay, that's it. Atomic mass unit is over. Relative atomic mass unit is over. Now we'll move to the next topic. What is relative molecular mass? Before that, I will tell you what is atomic mass, sorry, what is atom, what is element, what is molecule, what is compound. So let's end this video for now. I hope this part is clear to you. If you are clear with this topic, put a thumbs up in the comments, and then please like, share, subscribe the Brainy Elements. Thank you.